Hi all, welcome to Sunu's Soulful Cooking. Today we are going to make bruschetta. It's an Italian dish that can be had as an appetizer or a meal. Hard crusted breads are normally used to make bruschetta. I have taken a French baguette. You can also use normal bread. Cut the baguette diagonally into thick slices. Chop some fresh tomatoes and transfer it into a bowl. Add finely chopped coriander and mint leaves. Normally basil leaves are added. Here I didn't have any basil, so I added coriander and mint leaves. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add some garlic cloves. Roast them nicely till they turn brown. Let it cool down. Peel off the skin and chop them. Add salt, pepper powder and some olive oil. Olive oil is an important ingredient while making bruschetta. Mix it well and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now apply butter on the bread slices and toast them to make it crunchy. Remove from the pan and top it with the tomato salad. Add some grated cheese. I have added shredded mozzarella cheese. Heat olive oil in a pan and arrange the toast on the pan. Cover it with a lid. Cook till the cheese melts. Our crunchy, yummy bruschettas are ready. Bruschettas should be served hot. I'm sure you all will like it. If you liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.